Welcome, visionary entrepreneurs and savvy business leaders. I'm Thamizharasu, your business coach, and today, we're diving into the transformative world of drip marketing. Imagine nurturing your leads so thoughtfully that they bloom into loyal customers. Ready to unlock the power of consistent, personalized communication? Let's get the drip flowing. 2. The benefits of drip marketing campaigns for businesses. Before we irrigate our marketing garden, let's understand why we should. Drip marketing is not just about sending emails, it's about building relationships. It's the art of providing your prospects with the right information at the right time. The benefits? Increased customer engagement, improved conversion rates, and a deeper understanding of your audience's needs. That's the recipe for a thriving business. 3. Crafting your drip marketing strategy, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve? Better brand awareness? More sales? Customer retention? Step 2. Understand your audience. Who are they? What do they need? What are their pain points? Step 3. Create compelling content. Your messages should educate, inspire, and call to action. Step 4. Choose the right tools. Pick a marketing automation platform that fits your needs and budget. Finally, Step 5. Test, measure, and optimize. Constantly refine your strategy based on performance data. 4. Segmenting your audience for effective drip campaigns. Segmentation is like choosing the right fertilizer for different plants. Break down your audience based on demographics, behavior, or even how they interacted with your business. This precision allows you to tailor your messages, making each drip feel like a personal conversation. 5. The best types of content for drip marketing. Content is the lifeblood of your drip campaign. Educational articles, special offers, product updates, or personalized stories. Each drop adds value, engaging your audience until they're ready to take the next step. 6. Timing and frequency. How to schedule your drip emails for maximum impact. Timing isn't just a tick, it's a stalk towards success. Schedule your emails based on user behavior and preferences. Frequency matters, too. Not too much, or you'll flood their inbox. Not too little, or they'll thirst for more. 7. Integrating drip marketing with other digital strategies. Integrate your drip campaigns with social media, SEO, and content marketing. This multi-channel approach ensures your drips resonate across the digital ecosystem, creating a consistent and compelling brand narrative. 8. Using automation tools to streamline your drip campaigns. Automation tools are your watering can with precision nozzles. They help you send the right message at the right time without manual intervention. Time saver. Set up your emails once, and let the tool do its thing. More time for coffee, or strategizing your next big move. Consistency. Automation keeps your campaign on track, maintaining a steady flow of communication with your audience. Personalization. With dynamic content and triggers, each subscriber feels like you're speaking directly to them. This efficiency lets you focus on creating content and refining strategies. 9. Measuring success. Key metrics to track in drip marketing. Track open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, bounce rate, unsubscribe rate, engagement over time. And last but certainly not least, measure your return on investment, ROI. How much moolah are you making compared to what you are spending on these campaigns? To figure this out, you'll need to track the lifetime value of the customers acquired through your drip campaigns. This might take some number crunching, but it's worth its weight in gold for understanding the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. These metrics are like the growth rings of a tree, showing the health and age of your marketing efforts. Use them to cultivate your strategy. 10. Advanced drip marketing techniques for personalization and engagement. Advance your strategy with personalization. Use data to customize each message, whether it's addressing recipients by name or recommending products based on past purchases. Engagement skyrockets when customers feel seen and understood. You've just taken a masterclass in nurturing leads with drip marketing. Implement these strategies, and watch as your customer relationships flourish and grow strong roots. If you found value in this video, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Remember, your success is just a drip away. Stay consistent, stay targeted, and keep growing. Until next time, let's make every connection count.